Hey guys, it's Charlie Xenozarks here with a locomotive review of the Frisco FP7 DCC sound from Athearn Genesis. This is road number 40, and this is 40A and 135B. Both are DCC sound. I did do some tweaking on the sound features a little bit, as far as changing the horn to the correct horn sound, turning the horn and bell off on the B unit. The B unit, it comes straight out of the box with both the horn and the bell working, but I didn't really like it that much, so I took it out. And I changed the road number to 40, and both of them are assigned under 40, and they work out pretty well that way. So let's start off with the A unit here. So these F units in real life, there wasn't much detail to them other than the air hoses and the underbody detail in the end. But on the top, there's not really much other than the spark arresters, which I'm really glad Athearn added those. And the steam generator is correct. This is 70s plus for the Frisco Railroad. And the Frisco actually never completely retired all their F units before they got merged into the B, and they were still even running around during the 80s a little bit, which is pretty neat. So I can't remember what horn that is. It's I would tell you if I could remember. Full cab interior. The doors don't open, but most Athearn Genesis engines don't. These are incandescent bulbs, and I know a lot of people don't like them, and they burn out, which I don't like. But other than that, it's fine. I'll deal with them if they burn out at some point. The only defects with this, there was only one, and there's only one thing that happens with these Athearn locomotives a little bit, is this air hose right here. A little loose out of the box, so I did take it off, and I just haven't put any glue on it again. So, but other than that, no serious things, no mechanical problems on the A unit. Same with the B unit, no mechanical problems. So that's the A. So the cab unit. And here's the B unit. B unit, not very much detail. For cut levers on both of them. Full set of air hoses. Oh, these engines do not have dynamic brakes, so that's pretty cool. The Frisco didn't put dynamic brakes on these. The coupler spacing is really good. I really like coupler spacing. No steam generator on the B unit, which is correct for the Frisco. Underbody detail, other than the fuel tanks and the other underbody detail, not really anything special. And these engines you can do both freight and passenger with, because the Frisco, near the end of the Frisco, or near the lives of these F units anyways, well actually once the passenger era went away, the Frisco turned all their passenger engines pretty much into freight, probably just left the steam generators in them. So yep, these are mainly on my layout going to be ran as freight. I don't think I'm going to find any passenger cars for them, and it would only be a short little 3-car passenger train for it, so it would only be with the A unit. The B unit can be operated separately. It doesn't have to be with the A, which is with most DCC sound locomotives. So that's it. Oh, and the diaphragms aren't sprung, which I didn't figure they would be, and the back doors don't open. Other than that, I have not had any decoder issues. Right out of the box, they were really smooth. Excuse the dogs. I'm gonna set this on the track here real quick, and then I'm gonna show you the box they came in. I'm not gonna take them apart or anything, but it's a pretty neat box. It's a standard double pack here. So it comes in this nice big sleeve, and then it comes with all the warranty and stuff. But it does not come with an actual nice Athearn Genesis card for some reason. Like a booklet, like the GP38s did. That's a GP38 booklet. And I actually use that for future reference. If you guys have any other Genesis locomotives other than this, or if you have a Genesis locomotive that did not come with this and it's a Tsunami decoded, at least with the regular Tsunami. I don't know about the Tsunami 2. But you can use the functions on that too, because they're the exact same thing. That's actually how I found CBs to change the horn over. So I'm going to go over here and turn off. I turn on the controller, the controller of the system. And then they fire up both automatically. I did turn the sound down a little bit too. So, crawl the table. And then I haven't tried these with any other locomotives of the era. Just haven't had a chance. Just mostly been running these. They pull quite a few cars. I haven't weighed them any. So, first of all, I'm gonna turn the sound off. See if I can talk a little bit. Scoot it back, and then they're a little bit loud if you can pick them up. Not like super duper loud, but I broke them. They were a little bit louder when I got them out of the box, so it's just gonna be one of those things you're just gonna have to break them in and get that oil going. So 0 is the main light. Nice. The one thing about the incandescents is they give this nice yellow glow, which I really like. It's kind of hard with some LEDs sometimes. And then F5 is the Mars light, or Mars light. It does not come with an emergency light like some of the other locomotives do from Athearn Genesis, like the SP and the Amtrak. And the reason for that is Frisco did not have that. So there's that. And then I will turn the sound on for you. So, give you a full shutdown and startup sequence. So this is it shutting down. If you have an MRC controller, you can hit this emergency stop and it actually turns the sound off. So then you hit it again. No, you actually move the locomotive a little bit. It turns the sound back on. It comes with, I think out of the box it comes with pretty good bass, especially with 2 of them. So here's the horn, no, the bell, nice and crisp. And then this is the changed one, not the original. The original was basically, if you have, if you remember like the FPs, the first F8s, those, the horns that came stock on those, that's what, the sound plays for these F units out of the box for the horn. But this is the changed horn. Short. Now it does have dynamic brakes programmed into the decoder. I'm not going to ever use that, and I'm actually probably going to turn that off, so I'm not going to play that. Show you more what F6 is. 6 something. 7, okay. Mute. Oh, no, F9's doing great. So, it has only a few functions, and out of all honesty, I don't mind. Or at least I haven't really played around with the functions a lot. But anywho. I do recommend this locomotive, especially if you're a Frisco modeler or if you are a BN guy modeling the Frisco era when Frisco got bought out by BN. Which I think BN ran these for a few years. I don't know how long after the merger. I know during the 80s, late 80s, no, early 80s, BN had a few, I think, oh yeah, you can program manual notching on this locomotive, which I've been working on a little bit. I haven't got it. You have to completely remap it. But there's first notch, second notch, third notch, not third notch, third notch. If you get one of these, if you get this, these engines, I recommend, if you have one of these controllers, if you get the speed steps, for some reason it's set at 28, but 128 gives your locomotives a whole lot smoother drive. So, now, this is one speed step, and I think it's pretty good for just being broken a little bit, not by much. This is 6 speed steps here. Okay, well, also another thing, when you have it in reverse, the front lights go out. I don't really like that, so I'm probably going to fiddle with that a little bit too, to try and get it to where you don't, when you reverse it, the lights don't go out, turn off, which I think would look better than them automatically going off, so I'm going to work on that. This is my second F unit. My first F unit, F unit was this FL9, and they're pretty different engines. So, but they're still F units, and I love my F units. I'm surprised I haven't got any beforehand. But I really recommend these for if you're a Frisco modeler, BN modeler, a modern modeler, just because you can. Because I'm a modern modeler too, just kind of the Frisco survived the 80s and all that, and it's still around. And they're still used to F units. So, yeah, this very good locomotive. It is really worth the price for the B unit with it too. So you can pull extra locomotives, not locomotives, extra cars. Do whatever. Have fun when you go out and want to use something, pull a long train, just see if you can, the B unit. But, one thing I did find though, picking the B unit up, it's a little bit heavier than the A unit, I think. So I don't think that's a bad thing. But, yep, so I really recommend this. I think I got this for $399 USA from Train World, which I really recommend Train World. Came in great condition from them. They look, if something does happen, they are very helpful if gets if something gets damaged and shipping and anything. So, anywho, please like and subscribe. Sorry I have not been very active here lately. I've had band and high school. I'm now a freshman in high school, so matter of fact, that's probably if I'm missaying stuff, I'll probably miss something. My brain's pretty fried from school day to day. So, me and Mincy Valley will be getting together for Thanksgiving, during Thanksgiving break. So we'll probably do a video of that, and then we'll probably do another review on his channel of just the A. He bought 43, so, and that's just the A unit, and that's actually what prompted. I wanted to buy these anyways, but yeah. So really recommended. Look out for that video. Today's the I don't have my watch on me. Today's Thursday, hopefully next week. So I hope to get this video out today. It's not going to take long for me to do a video editing on it. I'll probably maybe do a run-by video at some point, just some train joining, different mixtures and stuff. So anywho, guys, take care. I will see you on the next video. Bye.